Hi, today I'm going to talk about sick building syndrome. In 1984, World Health Organization committee reported that 30% of new and remodeled buildings worldwide may be subject of complaints related to sick building syndrome. So in my speech, I will explain what it means and describe its causes. Today I'm going to inform you about sick building syndrome that can take place in any building. Since I'm studying architecture and I'm particularly interested in sustainability, I decided to cover the issue related to indoor air quality. Indoor air quality is one of the sustainability goals in designing green buildings, and it's very important because it relates to comfort, health, and well-being of building occupants. Poor indoor quality can lead to respiratory problems, poor productivity, and other health issues. In order to better understand how sick building syndrome affects the health, I will define the term and explain the indicators of the syndrome. I will start with the definition. According to the Environmental Protection Agency, sick building syndrome is a term that describes situations when building occupants experience health problems and discomfort after spending some time inside the building. Complaints could be made about a particular zone or about the whole structure. Sometimes the symptoms are temporary. However, some buildings have um, permanent problems. Usually, problems occur when a building is improperly maintained or operated, which means that property manager does not follow prescribed procedures from the original design. Sometimes indoor air problems are a result of poor building design when the building owner trying to minimize expenses by installing HVAC that satisfies the minimal code requirements but does not provide excellent air quality. Sometimes problems are a result of poor construction process when contractors does not follow air quality standards and do not cover ventilation ducts while performing other tasks. Dust or chemicals from the construction site can go inside the unit and stay there forever, causing health issues for future occupants. Occasionally, poor air quality is a result of occupants' activities such as smoking inside the building. The most notable indicators of sick building syndrome are occupants complain about overall discomfort, headache, runny or blocked nose, watery eyes, dry or itchy skin, dry or sore throat, dizziness. The cause of such symptoms is unclear, which means that the person is healthy and does not feel sick in general. Complaints feel relief after leaving the building. As you can see, many different causes can lead to the sick building syndrome and poor air quality. So I want to focus on the specific factors that contribute to the air quality. There are four main factors that influence air quality inside the building. The first one is inadequate ventilation. The most common problems with ventilation is wrong adjustment that creates imbalance between rooms or stories. Dust and dirt of the ventilation ducts create low airflow, which doesn't provide enough fresh air. Finally, modern HVAC require following precise procedures in order to operate efficiently. However, most users does not have access to adequate documentation. Next factors that influence indoor quality is chemical contaminants from indoor sources. Nowadays, most finishing is a material containing colossal amount of chemicals, adhesive, carpeting, upholstery, manufactured wood, etc. May emit volatile organic compounds, also known as VOC, including formaldehyde. Chemicals contaminated from outdoor sources are another cause of sick building syndrome. Pollutants from vehicles, incinerators, or nearby factories can enter a building through plumbing vents, building exhaust, or other openings. And finally, biological contaminants can also cause health problems in building occupants. Bacteria, mold, and viruses can breathe in stagnant water accumulated inside the building. In addition to unpleasant odor, mold gives off spores and mucotoxins that cause allergic reaction and weaken immune system. So in summary, the sick building syndrome is a common issue and it can impact everyone. The main causes of these issues are inadequate ventilation, indoor and outdoor pollutants, and biological contaminants.